Hello folks, Richard Fontaine here. Now, before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Now, this is a massive opportunity for you folks, so make sure you click that first link in the description below. Now, my coaches are Fergal Downs, Trevor Carr, and Max Gerstenmaier. Three very accomplished internet marketers in their own right who have made millions of dollars in this business. Now let's get back to that review. Now, you can grab the product in the second link in the description at any point during this video, and when you do, I will give you 5 exceptional bonuses. The first bonus explains how you can drive traffic after you purchase PLR. Just like this one. It shows you how you can modify and make PLR your own using tried and true strategies and techniques. It includes a Word document, a PDF file, images, and PLR license. You can use this document to increase your sales using PLR. Bonus number 2 shows you how to supercharge your online business with free traffic. You can make money online. You can make sure that you grab it so that you can reach your online income goals quickly and easily. And the third bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. Now, when you get an order for a high value gig, as an example, you can order the service on Fiverr for a much lower price, and then deliver that to your buyer. And you pocket the difference. That's how you become the middleman. Number 4, you will learn how to create a passive income. And here's the crucial thing. It's not any ordinary passive income. It is recurring passive income. And you can do that with ease. And the 5th bonus will show you how to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn $186 a day in 3 simple steps, while only spending about 15 minutes a day with the entire system. And not only that, you receive a done-for-you high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic source. Now let's get on with our review. The vendor of the Viral History Shorts Masterclass is Daniele Melandri. He's an Italian. He is an online marketing expert looking to help marketers and online businesses increase results and success. And he does this very often through these types of viral images. He has a number of short masterclasses that he has produced in the past, and with great success. And I expect this product to be no different. In a nutshell, it allows you to promote a premium masterclass on how to create viral history shorts with the help of AI. And you can upload these simple videos on social media and create a profitable faceless channel that will entertain and earn you money. Now, here's some things you should know about this product. It's really premium training, where Danielle shows you how to create engaging and viral history shorts with the help of AI. Now, you don't need any previous skills because AI will do the heavy lifting for you. And with just some minutes of work, you can create mind-blowing, as he says, mind-blowing videos that will easily go viral on YouTube. Now, he'll show you how to use those simple AI tools to create historical visuals and scripts. And then all you need to do is create vertical videos that will engage your audience and then go viral on social media. Now, the sales funnel looks like this. The front end for the Viral History Shorts Masterclass is $12.95, but after the launch, the price will increase to $17. Now, that includes a premium masterclass plus 2 bonuses. So don't forget, there's something else, and that is the front end bump with 100 more history shorts scripts for $9.95. Now, OTO 1 includes the Kids Video Stories Masterclass, something that he has done in the past. $17 Kids Stories videos with AI, plus a bonus of Done For You Kids Stories pack. OTO 2 is AI Quiz Videos Masterclass, another one that he has done in the past, for $17, and it covers quiz videos with the help of AI, plus a bonus of quiz videos ideas. And OTO 3 is YouTube Ranking Masterclass for $27. And it shows you how to get your YouTube videos ranked on the top. And OTO 4 is a mega bundle of viral videos for $107, and they include previously released viral video packages with 100% unrestricted use rights. Now watch for the downsells. You'll save some money, but you might get less product or a different product. Now, if you need to know more, make sure you click that second link in the description below. And before I go, check out how to earn $10,000 a month in that first link below. Now, that's critically important, folks, because you can earn up to $10,000 a month in that by clicking on that first link and seeing what that's all about. And here are my 5 bonuses. They show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic. They show you how to buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference. They show you how to gain reoccurring income online easily. And they show you how to earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. And they show you how to drive traffic after you purchase a PLR product. Now, thank you for watching, folks. Make sure you get this product, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.